Out with the old and in with the new. The weather's getting warmer, spring is in the air, and now is the very best time to renew your bedrooms and baths at the big 50% off everything in the store springtime sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida. That's right, 50% off everything in the store, including the best quality and most recognized national brands. For the entire month of May through Sunday, June 5th, 2022, enjoy big savings on all your favorite home accessories, from sheets and blankets to comforters, towels, and pillows, and with brand names that you know and love. Take advantage of this sale to renew and refresh your home without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet 50% off everything in the store springtime sale. 1414 Main Street in the Washington Square, downtown Chipley, just a mile north of I-10. And let the savings begin.